Hey, it's your Sensei, and today at Commizen Dojo, we will be learning how to find the square roots of numbers using the long division method. And to understand this concept, let's pick up an example. Let's say I want to find the square root of 1, 2, 2, 5 using the long division method. So first of all, I'm going to write 1, 2, 2, 5 right over here. Then I will draw the division sign like this. Now, from now onwards, every step is going to be crucial. So pay close attention to whatever I say. So first of all, in this concept, from the right hand side, we have to pair two numbers together like this. Then we have to pair the next two numbers together like this. Now that I've paired all of the numbers, I want you to take a closer look at 12. Now we know that 12 is not a perfect square. So now what we need to do is that we need to find a perfect square closest to 12. Let's take a look at 4 squared. 4 squared means 4 into 4. This means 4 into 4 is 16. Now 16 is greater than 12, so we cannot take 16. 16 is out of the picture. But what about 3 squared? 3 squared is equal to 3 into 3. And 3 into 3 gives me 9. And 9 is less than 12, and 9 is also close to 12. So we will be taking up 9. So what I will do is I'm going to write 12 minus 9 right over here. Now, if you come back over here, 3 squared means 3 into 3. So what I'm going to do is, first I will take up this 3. I will take this 3 and I'm going to put it right over here in the quotient area. Then I will pick up the next 3, this 3, and I will put it in this area, right over here. Great. Now that we are done with this, I want you to again come over here. Now 12 minus 9 gives me 3. And now the next step is that we have to bring down this pair. So we have to bring down 25 right over here. So we get 325. Now I want you to come over here. Over here, we will have to add 3 to itself like this. 3 plus 3. This gives me 6. Now, from now onwards, every step is super important. So pay very close attention over here. Now, over here, 3 plus 3 gives me 6. Now, I'm going to draw two boxes like this. And in these two boxes, we have to put in the same number. However, there's a catch over here. So let me draw these boxes over here. So 6, and then we have two boxes like this. And in these two boxes, we have to put in the same number. However, the catch over here is that when I multiply this, the answer should either be 325 or a number close to 325. So let's say when I put 5 in these boxes and I multiply this, 5 is a 25, 2 over here, 6 is 32. Yay! When I put 5 in these boxes, I get 325 as the answer. So I will write 325 over here. Now 325 minus 325, this gives me 0. And over here, since I'm putting 5 in these boxes, I will write 5 in the quotient area. Now again, if you take a look over here, we have gotten 0 in the remainder side. And we have also used all of the pairs. So of course the division is over. So ladies and gentlemen, in the quotient we have received 35. So my friend, 35 is equal to the square root of 1225. Yay! So we solved this. We learned the basic concept. Now let's move on to the next example. So right here, let's say I want to find the square root of 14400 using the long division method. So first of all, I'm going to write 14400 right over here. Then I'm going to draw the division sign like this. Great. Now from now onwards, every step is going to be crucial. So pay close attention to whatever I say. So over here from the right hand side, we have to pair two numbers together like this. Then we will have to pair the next two numbers together like this. However, when you come to 1, you will see that you can't pair 1 with any other number. So just leave 1 as it is because 1 doesn't have any friends. Now I want you to again take a look at 1. Now we know that 1 is a perfect square. 1 squared is equal to 1 into 1. This gives us 1, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is I will write over here 1 minus 1. And here I want you to come and take a look over here. So 1 squared gives us 1 multiplied by 1. Now what I'm going to do is I will take up this one and I will place it right over here in the quotients area. Then I will pick up the next one, this one, and I will place it right over here. Great. Now again if you take a look over here, 1 minus 1 gives us 0. Now the next step is that we have to bring down this 44 right over here. So this gives us 44. Now I want you to take a look over here. Over here we have to add 1 to itself like this. 1 plus 1, this gives us 2. Now over here 1 plus 1 gives us 2. And here we will have to draw 2 boxes like this. And in these 2 boxes we have to fill in the same numbers. However, there's a catch over here. Now let me draw this again right over here. So over here we have 2 boxes, and in these 2 boxes we have to fill in the same number. But the catch over here is that when I multiply this, the answer should either be 44 or a number close to 44. So let's say right over here if I put in 2 and 2 over here, and when I multiply this I get 44. Yay! So when I put 2 and 2 in these boxes and I multiply this, I get 44 as the answer. So 44 minus 44, this gives me 0. Now what I'm going to do next is that we have to bring the next pair down. So we have to bring 0, 0 down right over here. So 3 zeros means 0 only. Now I want you to take a look over here. Over here we have to add 22 plus 2. So we are going to add 22 plus 2. This gives me 24. And again over here we will have to draw 2 boxes. And again in these 2 boxes we have to fill in the same numbers. However, again there's a catch over here. So let me draw this again for you. So 24, and we have 2 boxes like this. In these 2 boxes we have to fill in the same number. However, the catch over here is that when I multiply this, the answer should either be 0. The answer should either be 0 or a number close to 0. So of course over here, of course, when I put 0 over here and I multiply this, I get 0 as the answer. Yay! So when I put 0 in these boxes and I multiply this, I get 0 as the answer. So I will write 0 over here. 0 minus 0 gives us 0. And over here, earlier we put 2 in these boxes. So first we will write 2 in the quotient area. Then over here we are putting 0 in these boxes. So we will write 0 over here. Great. Now if you take a look over here, we have gotten 0 in the remainder and we have used up all of our pairs. So of course this division is long over. And we have gotten 120 as the quotient. So ladies and gentlemen, 120 is equal to the square root of 14400. Yay, we did it. So today we learned how to find the square roots of numbers using the long division method. So I hope you found this lesson interesting. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.